Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about something that a lot of you have been asking me about recently. What is the Tangerine Bank institution number? Before I get into the details, I want to take a moment to talk about the importance of knowing your bank's institution number. This number is a unique identifier that is used by financial institutions to process transactions. It's also important for things like setting up direct deposits and online banking. So, now that we know why it's important, let's get into the details. What is the Tangerine Bank institution number? The Tangerine Bank institution number is 1090. How to find your bank's institution number? There are a few different ways to find your bank's institution number. Here are a few tips. Check your bank's website. Most banks have their institution number listed on their website. Call your bank. You can also call your bank and ask them for your institution number. Check your bank statement. Your bank statement may also have your institution number listed on it. What can you do with your bank's institution number? Once you have your bank's institution number, you can use it to do a number of things, such as set up direct deposits. Direct deposits are a convenient way to get your paycheck or other income deposited directly into your bank account. Set up online banking. Online banking allows you to access your bank account from anywhere in the world. Transfer money between accounts. You can use your bank's institution number to transfer money between your accounts and other accounts. I hope this information has been helpful. If you have any other questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. And with that, I'll say goodbye for now. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video about the Tangerine Bank institution number. If you did, please be sure to like and subscribe to my channel for more helpful videos. And don't forget to check out my website for more information on all things personal finance. Thanks for watching.